If you've ever admired the clean design, polished animations, an elegant workflow of macOS but didn't want to buy expensive Apple hardware, you're in luck. The Linux desktop has evolved dramatically, and in 2026, there are more distributions than ever that recreate the Apple experience while keeping the freedom, customization, and performance that Linux is known for. Whether you're switching from a Mac, building a Hackintosh alternative, or simply love Apple's minimal design language, these Linux distributions deliver the closest experience possible. Starting from number 10 and working our way to the ultimate macOS-inspired Linux experience, at number 10 is Ubuntu Boogie. While Ubuntu itself has a traditional desktop, the Budgie edition offers a modern and refined interface that can easily be transformed into a macOS-like desktop. Its Raven sidebar resembles Apple's notification center, while the top panel, dock support, and smooth animations create a familiar environment for Mac users. With a few pre-installed themes and icon packs, Ubuntu Budgie becomes a stylish desktop that's both beginner-friendly and highly customizable without sacrificing Ubuntu stability. Coming in at number 9 is KDE Neon. At first glance, KDE Plasma doesn't resemble macOS, but its incredible customization capabilities make it one of the easiest desktops to convert into an Apple-inspired environment. Users can move the panel to the top, add a floating dock at the bottom, enable rounded window corners, apply vibrant blur effects, and install macOS icon themes within minutes. Powered by the latest KDE software, Neon combines cutting-edge features with exceptional performance, making it perfect for users who want both beauty and flexibility. Number 8 belongs to Elementary OS. For years, this distribution has been famous for its elegant appearance, and in 2026 it continues to be one of the closest Linux equivalents to macOS. The Pantheon desktop environment features a polished dock, a clean top panel, beautiful typography, smooth transitions, and a strong focus on simplicity. Its own suite of beautifully designed applications also contributes to the premium feeling. At number 7, we have Zorin OS Pro. While the free edition is excellent, the Pro version includes multiple desktop layouts that can instantly transform the interface into something remarkably close to macOS. Users can switch between Windows, GNOME, or macOS-inspired layouts with just a few clicks, combined with excellent hardware support, polished themes, and strong compatibility with Windows applications through Wine. Zorin OS provides an easy migration path for users coming from both Apple and Microsoft ecosystems. Taking the 6th position is Deepin Linux. Deepin has consistently impressed Linux enthusiasts with one of the most visually stunning desktop environments available. The Deepin desktop environment includes elegant animations, transparent effects, rounded windows, beautiful control centers, and a highly refined dock that strongly resembles Apple's design language. Every detail feels thoughtfully crafted, from the login screen to the file manager. Although some users remain cautious because of its origins, the desktop itself continues to be among the most beautiful Linux experiences available in 2026. Halfway through the countdown at number 5 is Fedora Workstation with customized GNOME. Fedora ships with a clean GNOME desktop that already shares similarities with macOS thanks to its minimalist approach and workspace management. By adding extensions such as Dash to Dock, Blarma Shell, rounded window themes, and macOS icon packs, Fedora becomes an elegant Apple-inspired workstation. Number 4 goes to Garuda Linux KDDDD. Although Garuda is primarily known for its gaming capabilities and Arch Linux Foundation, its KDE edition can closely resemble modern macOS while maintaining impressive visual flair. The floating dock, transparent panels, vibrant effects, smooth animations, and colorful themes create a premium desktop experience that rivals commercial operating systems. Since it's based on Arch, users also benefit from the latest software updates and access to the enormous Arch user repository, making it ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy cutting-edge packages. Our third place winner is Perot's Revival. Perot originally gained popularity years ago because it intentionally recreated the macOS experience. After disappearing for some time, community revival projects have brought its concept back with updated software and modern Linux foundations. The familiar dock, Apple-style launcher, elegant icons, top menu bar, and polished themes make it one of the closest visual recreations of macOS available today. While it's not as widely adopted as some mainstream distributions, Mac enthusiasts often appreciate how familiar everything feels immediately after installation. The runner-up at number 2 is Crystal Linux. Built on Arch Linux, but designed with simplicity in mind, Crystal Linux combines the latest software with a refined GNOME experience that strongly resembles Apple's desktop philosophy. The interface is clean, responsive, and highly polished, featuring excellent default themes, intuitive navigation, and smooth animations. Crystal Linux focuses on reducing complexity while maintaining access to Arch's massive software ecosystem. Finally, taking the #1 spot is in 2026, blendOS has become one of the most exciting Linux distributions, not only because of its beautiful appearance, but because of its revolutionary technology. Out of the box, its customized GNOME desktop closely resembles macOS with elegant design choices, a centered dock, refined icons, smooth transitions, and a premium overall look. But what truly sets blendOS apart is its ability to integrate software from multiple Linux distributions including Arch, Fedora, Ubuntu, Debian, and others within a single unified operating system. Users enjoy the visual elegance of macOS while benefiting from unmatched software compatibility and containerized package management. The result is an operating system that feels futuristic, stable, and incredibly versatile. Combined with advanced theming engines, high-quality icon packs, blur effects, rounded corners, and floating docks, developers can create experiences that rival Apple's visual polish. Unlike macOS, however, Linux allows complete freedom to customize every element of the desktop. If you dislike the dock placement, change it. If you want different animations, install them. If you prefer another icon set, swap it instantly. This level of flexibility remains one of Linux's greatest strengths. Performance is another major advantage. Many of these distributions run smoothly even on older hardware that no longer supports recent macOS versions. Users can install one of these Linux distributions and enjoy modern features with excellent responsiveness. Security is equally impressive thanks to Linux's robust permission model, open source development, and active communities that quickly identify and resolve vulnerabilities. Choosing the right distribution ultimately depends on your priorities. If you want the simplest Apple-like experience, Elementary OS and Perot's Revival are excellent choices. If you value customization, KDE, Neon, and Garuda Linux offer nearly unlimited possibilities. Professionals may appreciate Fedora Workstation, while power users will love blendOS and Crystal Linux for their advanced capabilities. Regardless of which distribution you choose, the Linux ecosystem in 2026 proves that you no longer have to choose between beauty, performance, and freedom. The result is the best of both worlds, delivering Apple's elegant design philosophy combined with Linux's unmatched power and freedom.